Do you or anyone at home need to send money to someone in the country but can't go out or don't want to wait in line? Don't worry, because now you can actually send money directly from your BDO account to Palawan Express anywhere in the Philippines without leaving the comfort of your home. Here's how, including some important things to remember. Simply log on to your account through the BDO Mobile Banking app on your phone, tap on Send Money, then select for cash pickup at any BDO branch or partner. Proceed without template, and in the form that appears, under Transaction Type, choose Pick up Cash Anywhere. Then proceed with filling in the important details of your transfer, including the amount, the sender's details, and the receiver's details, including the full name, address, and birthday, which should match the ID that will be used to claim the money. Save these details in a template so you don't have to retype them in the future. When you're done filling out the form, tap on Confirm. A summary will appear for you to check if all the information is correct. Note that there is a 100 peso flat service charge for this send money service. When you're satisfied that all the details are correct, tap on Continue. Your money is sent. Now you need to give the reference number to the receiver to claim the cash. It doesn't appear here, so just go back to Send Money, tap on View Transaction Status, then under Send Money Type, choose for Cash Pickup. And there's your transfer with the reference number. You will also receive an email from BDO within a few minutes, which will contain a summary of the details including the reference number. Copy and send. With the reference number in hand, the receiver can now claim the cash at Palawan Express. There are some important reminders that you and the receiver need to know to ensure a hassle-free transaction. We'll share those with you. But first, in case you don't have the BDO Mobile Banking app, here's how you can do it on your computer. Simply log on to the BDO Online Banking website, then select Send Money. Select for cash pickup at any BDO branch or partner. Proceed without template, then choose for cash pickup anywhere. Fill in the details, again while making sure they match the receiver's ID, save template, then click on Submit. Double-check all the information in the confirmation screen, then click on Continue. Your money is sent. Unlike on mobile, the reference number appears right away on the computer, so you can copy straight away and send. You can also take a screenshot of the summary in case it will be needed upon claiming. Sending money is instant. The amount and service charge are deducted automatically from your account, and the receiver can already go to Palawan Express to claim the cash. Now here are some important things to remember to ensure a hassle-free transfer. The receiver must present both the reference number exactly as it was given and a valid ID. It is very important that the receiver's details match the ID exactly, or the cash will not be released. This is strictly enforced for the safety and security of your money. To avoid any potential problems with misspelled names or incorrect details, the best thing to do is to just ask for a photo of the ID and copy the details directly. However, if you do encounter a problem with errors, you can call the BDO hotline to cancel the transfer, and the money will be credited back to your account in 1 to 2 days, or any money unclaimed after 30 days will automatically be credited back to your account, but not the service charge. In the meantime, you can just make another transfer, especially if the money is already needed. Next important thing, the cash can be picked up via Palawan Express in Palawan pawn shops only. As of the making of this video, Palawan Express agents that are not in a Palawan pawn shop are not yet included as pickup points, but will be included by BDO and Palawan Express very soon. Also, unlike a regular Palawan Express transfer where a text message is sent by Palawan to the sender and the receiver, there are no text messages that will be sent here. So don't worry if you don't receive any messages. As long as you have filled in the correct details and got the reference number, the receiver can already go ahead and claim the cash. So that's how to send money from BDO Online and Mobile Banking to Palawan Express. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up icon and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching!